so I've been searching for the perfect face mask that you can use. So all these products that I'm gonna use are all very much trending right now, and I've decided to mix it all up just to get all the benefits together. What to remember is this mask can only be used very rare, which is like once a week or once a month, whenever you feel like your skin needs some extra oomph to that. Those mixture, you need to have apple cider vinegar because it is the apple. Some of the products can cause staining, so you have to be careful with your clothes and your hair because they can get into those crevices and small spaces. So I always use a hairband to cover my hair and put some towels on my thighs so that it doesn't drop when I applying the mask. So you can see I have so much extra product left, so I put it on my arms and my armpits. It's meant to, you know, deep cleanse your armpits up. After you wash your face, don't forget to put some serum or moisturizer. This will suck the baby right up, and then you're left with a really smooth skin.